Well, hello everyone, Dan Hurd with Dan Hurd Prospecting here. It's that time of year again, time for our Christmas Paydirt special. I thought I'd do a quick little video to show you what we're including this year in our Paydirt. We have already mixed up 98 bags of Paydirt for you. I have 2 left unmixed that I'm going to mix for you on camera to show you what all we are including. So of course, no gold Paydirt is complete without gold. And we will definitely be including a pinchful of gold in every bag. Every bag will have at least 1, if not 2, pieces of polished peridot. 1, if not 2, polished garnets. A good sized pinch full of our garnet bearing gravel. Every bag will have 1 pinch of gold, and we do make sure that there's between 0.5 and 0.15 in every bag. 1 or 2 pieces of peridot. 1 or 2 polished garnets. A pinchful of garnet gravel. The Paydirt we will be using is unsearched Paydirt from my claims. This comes from a variety of claims all mixed together, and we will be taking 1/4 pound, which is about a 1/4 cup, of unsearched Paydirt into each bag. We then take the goodies and dump them in. Mix it all up. And that there will be for sale on my website for $25 as our Christmas Paydirt special. Red, green, and yellow in every bag. And in the 100 bags we have made, there are 10 bonus bags, which I have doubled everything. Double the gold and double the gems. Plus, I'm going to do this one last bag, including this nugget. So 10 bonus bags and 1 ultra bonus bag, including a nugget. There we are for the ultra bonus bag. Let's add extra peridot, extra garnets, lots of extra garnets, lots of extra peridot. Now that's a bonus bag. And of course I even doubled the dirt in the bag. And the ultra bonus bag will be completely random. I don't know who's going to get it. If you'd like your own Christmas Paydirt special, check out my website in the shop, www.danhurdprospecting.com. Hope you're all having an amazing day. And until the next one, bye.